Do you sometimes wonder what would happen if a luxury penthouse and a Rolls-Royce merged into one extraordinary beast? Well, this is the 2027 Rolls-Royce Concept Mansion Motorhome, a breathtaking vision of ultra-premium travel that completely reimagines life on the road. At first sight, the exterior commands attention with its monumental proportions. The elongated silhouette stretches across multiple axles, creating a presence that feels more like a private luxury train than a conventional motorhome. Up front, the signature Rolls-Royce-inspired grille dominates the design, flanked by razor-sharp LED lighting that gives the vehicle a sophisticated yet futuristic character. The deep metallic blue finish enhances its regal appearance, while the flowing chrome accents emphasize elegance from every angle. Every surface appears meticulously sculpted, transforming this rolling mansion into a true statement piece. Step in, and the experience becomes so extraordinary. The cabin resembles a high-end executive lounge rather than an RV. Rich handcrafted materials, ambient lighting, and panoramic windows create an atmosphere of refined serenity. Plush reclining seats provide first-class comfort, while premium wood veneers and polished metallic trim elevate every detail. Moving further inside reveals a spacious living area designed for long-distance luxury. Imagine relaxing in a private lounge equipped with advanced entertainment systems, smart climate control, and immersive surround sound technology. Every inch of the interior is tailored to deliver the comfort of a five-star hotel suite. The master sleeping quarters continue the theme of exclusivity, featuring a lavish bed, bespoke furnishings, and generous storage solutions. Nearby, a spa-inspired bathroom incorporates elegant finishes and modern amenities designed to make every journey feel so great. Technology plays a major role as well. Intelligent driver assistance systems, digital displays, advanced connectivity features, and next-generation safety technologies work together to create a seamless travel experience. What truly sets this concept apart is its ability to combine prestige, comfort, and innovation into a single moving residence. It isn't simply transportation. It's a private sanctuary engineered for those who demand the highest level of luxury wherever they go. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Concept Mansion Motorhome may be a vision of the future, but it offers a fascinating glimpse into what elite travel could become. And if luxury had no limits, this might just be its ultimate expression. Disclaimer: this video showcases a conceptual vehicle design created for entertainment and visualization purposes. Specifications, features, and availability may not represent an official production model from Rolls-Royce.